Hi everyone, it's Master Trainer and Super Coach Jennifer Nicole Lee. I ask my VIP clients every beginning of the month to share your progress. So let's take a look at my progress report. Added some lines, some muscle, a little bit of more girth, a little bit more three-dimensional pop in the booty, keeping the waistline cinched, and loving the results. Thank you. Love it. So in my VIP program, hello Brooke, and this is coming off of, holiday and winter break and Christmas and New Year's. So you know what? I'm not going to be too hard on myself. I'm grateful. Hello Shelby. I did want to add a little more muscular definition to my physique. So I've been lifting heavier, making sure my protein is up. I have been making sure I don't do too many oblique moves to keep my waistline, these indentions here, muscle bellies full, quads sweeping, to kind of build that animated, cartooned out physique. Bubbled out the booty for sure. Happy on that. I don't want overly muscular arms. I want TNT tricep, a little pop in the bicep. I don't want big guns. I want more of a feminine physique. This is what works for me. Playful bikini body, a little bit of soft, a little bit of muscle, kind of like the perfect combination. You don't want to be too muscular, too soft, too ripped, too shredded. So I'm really excited about the results. I'm going to continue on my journey. It's not where I want to be, but I'm happy coming off the holiday season, coming off of New Year's, and I'm just putting it all out there. I'm going to share with you my vulnerable best as a coach to say, you know what, I'm doing the workouts with you. I'm keeping my eating clean as well. So challenge yourself. Progress reports are due by tomorrow. You don't have to put on a bikini. You don't have to take photos. You can share, you can write, you can journal what you've gained. I've also streamlined a couple things in my business to stop wasting time. I love social media, but on one thing that saved me like 3 hours a week was that I turned off the comments on my main Instagram. No offense to anybody, it's just I love reaching out to all my fitness friends, but I wanted to have more time for my VIPs. So no offense to anyone, I love your comments. But I felt bad because if you give me a comment, I would like to give you a comment back. So that's one thing I also changed. Just focusing more on my goals and being the best coach I can be. So for everyone out there that's not a VIP member and you want to get your bikini body banging, you want to set your goals, you want motivational coaching, and you want to join a group of other like-minded women, go to jnlvip.com. Your first month is $1 to start your transformation. And then every month after that, it's only $25. So join, and one last twirl. I'm going to keep myself motivated for the next month. I believe in you. Bye, guys.
Are you using the car for the next?